Well, you found me hiding in the shed. I can't work in the house because it's like Piccadilly Circus. The whole family are in lockdown. So I'm hiding out here, and there's a nice irony in the fact that I'm back in my shed because it was here years and years ago that I worked on the Engage application, which sits on Family Law Lab, and it might be the reason that you're looking at the site now or having a look at this short video. Now, the reason that I want to have a quick chat with you is that I've been following a lot of family lawyers on Twitter and on LinkedIn, and isn't it fantastic that we've all embraced digital working? Or at least what we've done is we've embraced Zoom. Now, Zoom is fantastic because it's allowed us as family lawyers to keep in contact with especially new clients because they need to see us and they have to do it virtually at the moment. That's absolutely fine. But you know what? I have to share this with you. Zoom does have its limitations. Now, in a traditional face-to-face meeting, when we're gathering all of those facts, we can pick up on lots of cues, lots of non-verbal information. It's bombarding us all the time when we're speaking to new clients. And we're processing that and we're responding to them. We're picking up on whether they are listening to us, whether they're really understanding what we're saying, or whether we might need to repeat something. We're watching their fingers drumming on the top of the desk or tearing up tiny strips of paper. And we're constantly checking in on a cognitive level about whether we're on the same wavelength as our clients. Now, I'll tell you this, that when you're on a Zoom connection, especially if it's a little bit challenged in the quality of the visuals or the quality of the audio, that's quite hard because I don't know about you, but I've experienced Zoom sessions where the person I'm speaking to is almost in silhouette because of the ambient lighting. I can't see the face. I'm trying really hard to read it. And here's another thing. I think we've all found this, haven't we? Zoom meetings are really very tiring. There's a lot of fatigue. There's clearly a lot of cognitive tugs of war going on in the way that we're processing the information. If we're finding it hard as family law practitioners, just imagine how hard our clients, our family law clients, are finding it, especially the ones who are consulting us for the first time. They're already in an elevated level of distress. They're finding it really tough, and then we're subjecting them to a Zoom experience where they may not be able to hear us, where we may be freezing, horrible lag because of our bandwidth contention issues. So for them it's really hard, and I just think that if we are going to transplant the face-to-face model of meeting our new clients onto a digital model like Zoom, then we've got to cut down the time where we're doing all of that fact gathering. Because although in the face-to-face meeting we can compensate by making sure that our clients are on the same wavelength, for all the reasons I've just mentioned, it's much harder on Zoom. And I just think it's a really suboptimal experience for our new clients who are already distressed. So my view is that if we're going to use Zoom, and we should, because it's probably going to become a new normal after we come out of lockdown, but if we're going to do that, then we need to be a little bit kinder to our clients, and we need to cut out all of that time at the beginning when we're gathering facts. We can do that if we use some of the digital platforms. That is one of the reasons that we developed Engage. So get Engage to do the heavy lifting, cut down, truncate the amount of time that we take on the Zoom session. And if we have that information beforehand, we can then zoom in, every pun intended, on the real value for the clients, which is the guidance, it's the advice, it's that virtual arm around the shoulder that they expect to get from us as family specialists. If you think Engage can help you, and you think it can help your clients, which is more important, then check out the website. Please get in touch. We've made Engage free to family lawyers during the present circumstances. Catch you later.